Welcome back, everyone. If bath time feels like a wrestling match with your little one, today we're showcasing must-try gadgets. Mini bathtub basketball hoop. Turn your tub into a mini sports arena with the mini bathtub basketball hoop. Your kid will love shooting hoops while splashing around, making bath time an exciting adventure. Bathtub and sink seat. The youngsters. Bathtub and sink seat is the perfect solution for keeping your little one secure during bath time. With its comfortable design, bath time becomes a safe and enjoyable experience. Bath thermometer duck. Say goodbye to guesswork with the bath thermometer duck. This adorable little duck floats around while accurately measuring the water temperature, ensuring your kid's bath is just right. Toddler toilet training chair. The toddler toilet training chair makes potty training a breeze. With its fun design and comfortable seating, your kid will be excited to transition from diapers to toilet time. Frog water spray toy. Make bath time an aquatic adventure with the frog water spray toy. This playful gadget adds an element of surprise and joy as it sprays water and keeps your kid entertained. Waterproof bath cap. Keep those little eyes safe from soap and water with the waterproof bath cap. This stylish cap ensures that bath time stays fun and irritation-free for your child. Splash guard for tub. The splash guard for tub is a game changer for parents. It prevents water from splashing all over the bathroom floor, keeping things tidy while your kid enjoys their bath. Adjustable baby shower stand. The adjustable baby shower stand brings versatility to your bathing routine. Its adjustable height makes it easy to find the perfect position for rinsing while keeping your kid comfortable. Bath shower head. Turn bath time into a delightful experience with the bath shower head. With multiple settings, rinsing off is quick, easy, and fun, making it perfect for your little water lovers. Fruit-shaped bath sponges. Get your kid excited about bath time with fruit-shaped bath sponges. These vibrant and colorful sponges make scrubbing fun, encouraging good hygiene habits in a playful way. Baby rinse cup. Say goodbye to the dreaded rinse. The baby rinse cup is specifically designed to help you wash away soap easily while keeping water out of your kid's eyes. U-shaped toothbrush. Make brushing fun with a U-shaped toothbrush. This innovative design ensures that little ones can brush their teeth easily and effectively while enjoying their bath time routine. Baby bath seat. Make bath time a breeze with our baby bath seat. Designed for safety and comfort, it keeps your little ones secure while they splash and play. Inflatable bathtub. Turn any space into a splash zone with the inflatable bathtub. Perfect for travel or for smaller bathrooms, it provides your kid with a safe and fun bathing experience. Rainbow dinosaur umbrella. Add a little magic to bath time with the Rainbow Dinosaur umbrella. This cute gadget keeps children entertained while also keeping them dry as they enjoy their bath. Bath bubble machine. Create a bubbly wonderland with the bath bubble machine. Your little ones will love the endless stream of bubbles while they splash around in the tub. Wipes dispenser. Keep things tidy with a wipes dispenser designed for bath time chaos. It makes cleaning up spills and messes quick and hassle-free, so you can focus on having fun. Portable shower caddy. Say goodbye to clutter with the portable shower caddy. This handy organizer keeps all your bath essentials at your fingertips, making bath time easy and efficient. Cartoon toothpaste dispenser. Make toothpaste fun with the cartoon toothpaste dispenser. This adorable gadget encourages your child to brush their teeth without the mess and stress. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own bath time tips and favorite gadgets for making splashes with your kids in the comments below.